3 years ago, Eternal Atake was teased by the one and only Lil Uzi Vert.
Is ecstasy legal here?
Constant tweeting and teasing of the album made his fans restless. I myself was one of these fans. You can tell by the multiple videos that I've made anticipating the release. Tight beat after tight beat. I couldn't wait. Eventually I had enough and went on a journey to find out the answers. I traveled far and wide, begging for answers, but to no avail. Eventually, I almost gave up. Until one day, I received a phone call from a close friend of mine.
The time has come.
When he uttered those words on that day, I was in disbelief, and I rushed back to my base. And while I was rushing back in my spaceship, I bumped the heat that was Eternal Atake. Finally, we have been graced with the artwork, the art form, the musical genius that is Lil Uzi Vert. And today, ladies and gentlemen, I bring to you the official Eternal Atake Lil Uzi Vert type beat.
Dogs Gang, I'm in disbelief. I'm in awe. I am in shock. Guys, is it true? Is it really true? Have the prophecies finally come to fruition? Docs Gang, I believe it was Friday afternoon. I got a text from a friend saying that the Eternal Atake had been released. But guys, I didn't believe him. I didn't believe him at first. I was like, there's no way. I don't believe this. I know Uzi teased it for the past weeks, 2 weeks, blah, blah, blah. But he's been doing that, as you all know. He's been starving us for the past 3 years. He's been dangling that piece of meat.
What?
Pause. Nah, that's weird. Nah. But my point is this, guys. Eternal Atake has finally been released. And guys, I'm ready to make not just any Eternal Atake Lil Uzi type beat. No. We are going to be making the greatest Eternal Atake banger type beat that we can make on this channel. Alright, this is going to be the best beat I've ever made, okay? We have been practicing for months and months and months for this moment. And guys, I don't want this to be any other mediocre, BS beat that I make in like 3 minutes, okay? We're gonna make this something special, alright? So, without further ado, let's get into the video. If you haven't done so already, guys, I'm gonna need you to leave a like, okay? I'm gonna need you to leave a like, I'm gonna need you to comment, and I'm gonna need you to most definitely subscribe, okay? Because I'm pretty sure it's like 25% of you watching are not subscribed or something like that, and that's absurd. That's ridiculous, guys. That is ridiculous. Like, come on now, what? Just subscribe, alright? Help me out. But anyways, let's get into the video. Well, first of all, let me take off my sunglasses because I can't. Alright guys, I am here on YouTube and you might be thinking, what are you doing? We're supposed to be making a beat. But of course, when we go into YouTube, we're going to look for a sample, okay? So that is what I am going to do because we gotta make this a banger. Because you guys know, when I sample beats, when I sample in my beats, they turn out to be glorious, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna look for some samples, all right? And oh my god. But yes, we're gonna be looking for some anime samples. So, all right, let's see. Kawaki anime samples. I like that, but I don't know if I could sample it. Alright, Docs Gang, we are back into FL Studio, and I'm ready to get started. I don't know about you. I was playing around with some stuff, so I have a few things laid out already, but we're gonna start from scratch, don't worry. But if worse comes to worse, I have a backup plan. But this is the sample I chose. Sounds like, let's open up in Edison. Sounds like this. Yeah, sounds pretty cool. So we're gonna do something with that. It sounds pretty easy to sample. I'm definitely going to add a counter melody to that because it does not have a lot of volume in it, if you know what I mean. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. We're going to look for a counter melody. Actually, no, not. We're gonna cut the sample out, look for some chops. So let's do that. You know what? Let's go on to the next sample. Let's just go on to the next sample because I'm a little impatient. I'm not gonna lie. But I feel like there could be a better one. And we're gonna do this sample, guys. This one sounds really cool. Okay, so we already know what we're gonna do here. Okay, let's. Alright guys, so we're back from our little chopping up stuff, and I got 3 chops that I want to play around with. So they're all vocal and stuff, and I already have the drums picked out because like I said, I was working on it earlier, but now let's just try and chop these samples up and see what I can do.
12 seconds later.
Okay, guys, so we got a nice little chop going on here, okay? The chops are nice. I just feel like now I need to maybe lay down some drums. I'm gonna go back to the melody and then add a counter melody, but I think this is pretty nice so far. First one I got is this. The second one I got is this one. Wait, is this one it? And then this one is the third one. And then I got some violins that I reversed, so I got some few little options, you know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna lay down some drums, and I feel like if I lay down more drums, I'm gonna get better ideas for the melody. So let's just go to the drums. Gotta put down a snare real quick. All right, let's use these. I'm sorry, I'm using these. Ooh, okay. All right, now let's add the kicks. I don't know what it is about this TM88 kick, but it just has that punch before you even mix it. So. Alright, now let's add these rim perks, because I kind of like these. I like perks. That sounded really wrong. I don't like drugs. I don't condone drugs. Don't do drugs. Alright, the drums are sounding really drippy right now. Okay, they sounded really drippy. So let's go to the 808s, man. I'm ready to go to the 808s. The 808s are calling my name, okay? And then let's copy that over here. Okay, guys, I think we got our melody. I like this one. This first one, I like this one. I was just trying to test out other ones and see if I like them, but this one's the best one. So we're gonna use that one. Now it's time to go to the melody to make a counter melody. Let's do a piano first. All right, Omnisphere, where are you pianos at? Let's just add a pitch region detector to like this section.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
FL Studio, don't freeze on me now. Come on. You know, don't. Oh my god. Nah. You see, I know, you're just waiting, right? I know, you're just doing your thing. I'm gonna let you do your thing. You know what? I'm not even gonna get mad. Just do your thing, FL. Do your thing. Alright, just don't freeze on me. Let's be nice to each other. I upgraded my computer, you know what I'm saying? You know, I'm gonna let you do your thing. I'm not even gonna get mad. Alright? Just do your thing. And we're just gonna, you know what I'm saying? Oh my god. We're still doing this, FL Studio. Really? Oh my god. What? You know what? Let's just calm down. I might have saved it, I doubt it, and I didn't. You know what? We're gonna use this. I don't know what this is, but we're gonna use this, okay? Wow, alright. Okay, that works. I'm not as mad anymore. What do we do? Oh yeah, I said I was gonna make a counter melody, so that's what we're gonna do. Let's make a counter melody to this. Oh, wait a minute. It's kind of hot. Hold up. Alright, that counter melody sounds beautiful. All we need to do now is just find a gosh darn sound, okay? This is gonna be like the hardest part of this, so let's try it out. Oh wait, let's put an ARP on this. Now we gotta change this 808 pattern up real quick. This 808 pattern needs to change. And guys, oh, I'm ready to spaz, okay? Hold on a second, wait. Ooh. We're just working on the 808 pattern. Okay, this is getting really spicy. Okay, this is getting very, very nice. Okay, but the only thing is, it's just the 808 pattern. It's just the 808 pattern. When I get that down, guys, it's gonna be a wrap. Prep the extinguishers, please.
months later.
Guys, this is going crazy. You know what? I just need one final thing. We gotta change that snare. And you already know what we're gonna do. Okay, because it was in the beat before FL Studio decided to crash and destroy my entire project, but not really. All right, there we go. We gotta destroy the pandemic membrane. We got to. I think my computer is done. I think my computer's had enough. It's done. It's not working anymore. As you can see by all the error messages, it's gone. My computer, bro. I was turning up too much. I forgot the fire extinguisher. It's done. It's too much. It's too much for my computer. I'm done. I can't even make any more beats now. Look at all the error messages. Like it's done. Guys, we just made one of the most fire Lil Uzi type beats I've ever made. Alright? This is definitely up there. Let me know what you think, alright? Leave a comment in the comment section below. I wanna know what you think of this beat because guys, honestly, this beat was pure greatness. Okay, so I'm gonna need y'all to leave a like, don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe. Make sure you subscribe because I know only 25% of you or 35 or whatever the number is. Not enough of you are subscribed to watch my videos. You're just watching, all right, just to have fun. I need you to, I enjoy that. I appreciate that. You know what I'm saying? Keep watching it. I love that. But come on, you gotta just subscribe. It's not too hard. It's free. You know what I'm saying? Just go ahead and do it, all right? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you guys, even if you're not subscribed, which you should be. But thank you so much. Don't forget, Dots Gang merch is dropping very soon, so stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the flip side. Peace.